Okay, so I've actually created peanut butter cookie dough. And I am about to actually just place it out on this pan so we can bake them. You can tell when the peanut butter cookies are done when you see a little brown on the bottom. You don't want them to get too brown, they will be too hard. So these are perfect. Let's take a look at these. These were on the upper shelf, and these are the smaller ones. Lightly brown at the bottom. They're still warm. And these are the ones that were on the bottom shelf. They are larger. Let's take a look at one. Lightly brown at the bottom, a little darker than the other ones, and they are perfectly done. They're still warm. They're soft. I've actually already took the liberty of biting into one. Let's take a look at it. I couldn't even wait. It's soft and moist. Okay, and it tastes so good. This video and others will be posted on Creole and Cajun Living with Mom Cherry. Make sure you subscribe.